Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Laser Fridays. It has been a long time, I believe, since I've done a Laser Friday video. My whole thing was to do one every Friday, but that doesn't always happen. I've been so busy doing tumblers and other things, but I'm happy to report and show you guys a quick little video on me making some Christmas ornaments. So Christmas is fast approaching, my friends, and these kind of things have to get done way in advance. I actually dropped the ball. I probably should have had these done like a month ago. But again, life gets busy. So here you see my wonderful Mira 7 Eon laser machine. Just doing some cutouts. So there's going to be a bunch of different colors. This took me forever to get them designed on the software and then figure out what colors I wanted to use and how to stack them. Different colors, so many different things. And then do each one separately. It is a lot of work. And you'll see in the rest of this video, it was a lot more work still. So I did probably about, I don't know, maybe 30 ornaments. And then I was done. I was like, I'm not doing any more of these. They are the most time-consuming thing I have ever worked on. And I'm happy to report I've sold quite a few of them. I do still have some left. You'll see them at the end of this video. But yeah, these suckers are a lot of work. So I'm going to let this continue doing its thing. I just noticed my little Bluetooth speaker on the left-hand side there just going crazy. Yes, I was listening to music while working in the studio. So let me just take this opportunity also quickly to remind you guys, and for those of you who are watching for the first time, that my upcoming events in 2025, starting with FAE, Fluid Art Experience in March 2025, from March 14th to the 16th. I will be in Dallas, Texas. I will be teaching 3 days of classes, so 6 classes in total. I'm going to be teaching the blowout technique. I'm going to be teaching the bloom technique. For the first time ever at an FAE, I am going to be teaching the bloom technique. And I'm also teaching 2 resin classes. One is going to be a top coating class where you're going to learn how to top coat your canvases using resin. And I'm also going to do a ocean theme beach resin class with a super cute metal turtle stencil. So lots of different classes to choose from. If you want information or you want to sign up, you can go to www.fluidartexperience.com. The next event will be in Montreal here in Canada. If you are in and around the Montreal area, I will be there on April 12th. I will be teaching classes just that one day. There's either going to be 2, maybe 3 classes that day. If you want information on that class, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And then finally, there is Spokane, Washington. I will be there for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. That is happening June 6th to 9th. If you want information on that event, the link to the website is in the description below this video. So that is a all-inclusive retreat by the lake. It's going to be a lot of fun. Only 12 spots available and 6 are already sold. So half the seats have been sold already. So if you want to check out that event, as I mentioned, the website is in the link in the description below. Next thing I can tell you guys is calendars. I still have some 2025 calendars available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you can email me, as well as tumblers. If you want a custom tumbler, great Christmas gifts. If you want a tumbler, again, you can email me. All right, I'm going to stop talking for now. I'm going to put in some music, but I will be back throughout the video to explain a few things that I'm doing with these ornaments. I'll be right back. All right, so as you saw there, I was putting all the ornaments together, layering them up in the color schemes that I had decided on. And now that they're all stacked, most of them are 3 layers. Some of them are 2. The ones I'm working on right now are 2 layers. So now you can see I'm using my Gorilla Glue. I love this glue. It works great for woodworking. And I am literally gluing all the pieces together. So that was a long time. And, you know, there I am with my phone too. You gotta love having the phone there. But so I sat there for a really long time. It was a couple hours and maybe 1 or 2 hours, and I glued them all together. The next step was to really meticulously clean up any edges or any parts inside of the ornament that needed touch-ups. So you're gonna see me doing that in a minute. So here you see I've got my Amsterdam, you know, oxide black and a little teeny tiny paintbrush, and I am literally painting the edge of every single ornament. Why? Because it needed a black layer of paint to make it look nice. Also, when cutting with the laser machine, the machine does burn the wood. So when it's burning the wood, it also leaves soot, like a black char on the wood, which if you touch it after it's come out of the machine, it makes your fingers black. So my job here was to clean the edges first. You can see me, I'm cleaning, and then to paint the edges so that when you buy them and you take them home and you handle them, you will not get, should not get any black soot on your fingers. Here I am. Now I'm cleaning the outside. Look how dirty that baby wipe is. So that's the only downfall with cutting wood on the laser machine. It definitely leaves a lot of soot on the outside, which is why I go in with a paintbrush and finish it off nice and clean. And there you have, this is what I have left. You can see I got some really cool wooden beads and some twine. And I sat for a long time threading all of that and putting nice little hanging hooky thingies on these. These snowmen were the best sellers. I should have made more of them. But how cute are these? So this is what I have left. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little Christmas tutorial. If anyone is interested in any of these, you can email me and order from what you see here that I have left. So I would love to know what you guys think about them in the comments below. That is it for now, my friends. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.